Hello guys, my name is Antos, and in this video I want to show you 3 different monitors I've been testing out for video editing. So I've got 3 different monitors up here from 3 different manufacturers. First one up here is from Dell, next one from LG, and another one from Samsung. And I've been kind of testing these out over the last about a month and a half, trying to kind of find the best video editing monitor for myself. Normally I don't edit on widescreen monitors, but a few of my other filmmaker friends were recommending that I get a widescreen monitor. They're saying it really changes your life, and I gotta say that working with all of these, yes, what I really like about the widescreen monitors is the fact that you just get more space on your timeline when you're editing. So that's a cool thing. Now another really important thing for me was color accuracy. Obviously when you're doing color grading, you want to make sure the colors you're seeing are actually the actual colors you are working with. And they're all fairly color accurate for all the specs. You guys can just check the links actually for these monitors down in the description of this video, so that you'll see all the specs, also along with the prices. The prices do change, but they're more or less priced the same, these 3 monitors. Now, as good as they are, they have one major flaw, and at least that's what I think. Maybe you guys can disagree with me and you can tell me why, but I think the major flaw of all these monitors I have here is the fact that they're curved. I haven't realized this myself. I actually, on purpose, it's the monitors that were recommended to me by other filmmakers were actually curved, and then I kind of just thought to myself, oh, it seems like a neat idea to have the screen curved. But when I started working with these, very quickly I started realizing that, first I noticed that there was something off with the images. I wasn't sure what it was, and then I realized that it's because of the fact that the screens are curved. They deform basically the way the image looks. So if, for example, you're just going to be doing general like computing, web surfing, whatever, watching movies even, or playing video games, they're going to be totally fine, don't get me wrong. But it's only when you're doing editing, or even more like when you're doing titles, like graphics or 3D animations, things like that, you need to see exactly if, let's say your horizon line is perfectly straight, or if it's getting deformed, or things like that. Well, with the curved screen, you can't really tell. And it's, I've tried different advice, like I've seen online, of putting the screen in the center, like my preview window in the center, or making it bigger or smaller, things like that. None of that stuff worked. In the end, doesn't matter also how far or close I sat from the monitor, it would always distort, especially there at the edges. So I basically just found that I couldn't really work with these. As nice as they are, it's not something that I think a graphics or video, or somebody who's working with visuals on a computer, I don't think curved is the way to go. Now let me know if you guys disagree. Why? Maybe you found some solutions, maybe you didn't, or maybe you just didn't notice the problem like I did. So let me know that in the comment section below. And in the meantime, I guess I'll just go on and I'll be looking out for more monitors. The monitors I'm using right now for my work are actually from BenQ. The first one, which I already reviewed, is the BenQ SW2700. I'll provide the link for the full review of that, and it's just an amazing monitor for anybody working with images. It's actually designed specifically for photography, videography, amazing colors. So if you want to find out more info about that monitor, I'll provide the link for that in the description down below. There's a new one I got from BenQ that I just started using, which is the SW271. And it's the ones that kind of like a 4K version of the monitor that I already reviewed. Both great monitors. Now, they're not ultra widescreens. They're widescreen. They're 16:9, but they're not ultra widescreen. So that's the only thing, and that's one of the reasons why I guess I'm still out on the lookout for that kind of a ultimate, ultra widescreen kind of a monitor that's going to work for video editing. If I find one, I'll definitely do a video about it. Until then, just keep on searching. See you guys.